Good afternoon. This is Missoula Mayor John Engen, and with me is Commissioner Juanita Vero of Missoula County, and we're here with our update for April 3rd, 2020. Commissioner.
Yes, happy Friday. I'm Juanita Vero, one of your 3 Missoula County commissioners. I'm on the last day of my self-quarantine here, 2 weeks in Reno, where I will remain working from home. I can report that the rental assistance fund that Missoula County set up with the Human Resource Council has been depleted, but we were able to help over 100 people with their rent this month. So we're happy about that, but we also know that people are still hurting out there and struggling financially. And we'll continue to support the economy, residents and employees as much as possible through our coordinated efforts with community organizations and their task forces focused on economic recovery, housing, and employee assistance.
Well, thank you, Commissioner. Our friends at the Missoula Economic Partnership are working with their partner organizations, the city and the county, on those very recovery efforts. Included in that effort is a resource center that they're working to tip up to provide some navigation for these complex federal programs. And more information on that is available at the end of this video. Some website resources for you to dive in, information about that and a lot more. Commissioner.
Yes, so as you can probably guess, local governments have some significant budget uncertainties now. We're committed to making some tough decisions in the coming months, but these decisions will be designed to keep the organization functioning and providing the essential services that you depend on. We're also looking at every opportunity in our budgeting process to make sure that we can divert some resources to the COVID-19 response.
Oh, thank you, Commissioner. We appreciate that. We got friends in the community who could use your help. The Missoula Food Bank, which is providing an essential service to our community 365 days a year, and particularly now in this crisis, needs your help. They need full-time volunteers to work at the food bank. The challenge is part-time volunteers mean more people are coming and going from the facility, which increases risk for everyone. So if you have the capacity to sign up and work full-time as a volunteer at the Missoula Food Bank, those folks and I would certainly be grateful for that. Please don't go to the food bank. Please contact the staff there via email. Aaron Brock, the executive director's email is aaron@missoulafoodbank, all one word, .org, and Aaron's name is Aaron. You can also reach Jessica@missoulafoodbank.org or Kelly@missoulafoodbank.org, and Kelly is Kelli. Those folks provide an essential service, and we could use your help there. Just a quick reminder about social distancing. We can't emphasize enough the importance of that. It seems in this complicated world to be the thing that works, right? Stay home if you can. And certainly if you're out enjoying parks and trails, which we hope you're doing to preserve some sanity, get some exercise, etc., please remember to maintain that social distance as well. Try to stay 6 feet apart. Well, do stay 6 feet apart. Give your friends and neighbors plenty of room, and your family members as well. It's hard because there are more folks using those facilities than typical, but you all can do it. We trust you to get that done. In addition, we wanted to make you aware of the fact that Cindy Farr, our incident commander at the health department, is also providing a daily video. That's right next to this video on this website. Cindy has great information about the virus itself, prevention, current numbers, and current guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. So please pay attention to that. Juanita, I'm really glad that you're done with quarantine. I'm glad that you're healthy. I'm working from home today as well for the first time. It's weird, and I'm really surprised that we haven't had a barking dog situation, but so far so good. We hope you all have a great weekend. Stay safe, take care of each other. we'll be back on Monday to share more up-to-date information. Take care.
Yeah, so just real quick, I know we've had some folks asking about masks and face coverings, and we just want to remind folks that our health department follows CDC guidelines, which at this moment do not require facial coverings in public, although that could change in coming days. While it doesn't hurt if you're wearing a face covering, recognize that it doesn't make you invincible, and it can provide a potentially false sense of security. So again, as the good mayor said, the best way to reduce the spread is to not touch your face, wash your hands frequently with soap and warm water, and keep that distance, whether it's in the grocery store or out on the trail. Have a great weekend, be kind, and thanks for all you're doing to keep our community safe. We're gonna get through this together.